Here comes more boats. Yeah, Daddy, look. Oh my.
Designated front.
Yeah, number 39.
Oh, he's really good.
Merry Christmas! Oh, look at that! Woo! I like that one. Is that gonna like that one?
That's good. Hey! Did we go? Mom? When? I don't think we
Look, there's Santa, John, on the boat.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm gonna say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man. It's back at 12 when I'm back to sleep. Down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, your tree. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
Listen to the horn on the boat. Oh, John. Okay, I guess. Look at the airplane on the boat.
There's Snoopy, John.
John, you need to back up. Jonathan, back up some.
No, I think that.
There's Snoopy, John, on the boat. See Snoopy? Say Merry Christmas. There you go. Merry Christmas.
Hey, now listen up. There's the house with boughs of holly. Woo! 'Tis the season to be jolly. Well, don't we now our gay apparel? Truly ain't any Yuletide carol. Hey, deck the house with boughs of holly. Tis the season to be jolly. Don't we now our gay apparel? Truly ain't any Yuletide carol.
John, look at all of them. That's got candy. That's cute. Christmas tree. Oh, look at Feliz
Hey!
Look at that, John. Santa.
Yeah! You better be. Come knock over here.
Hey, yeah. Jingle bells, jingle bells. A jingle all the way. Oh, Bob, it is to ride in a one-horse. One sleigh.
Hey, stop it! Stop!
Jingle bells, a jingle all the way. Oh, it is to ride in a one-horse sleigh. with a miniature sleigh and a tiny reindeer. Oh, Saint Nick.
Hey!
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, being your realest way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm gonna say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm back to sing.
Much better, much bigger than I expected.
What's that say, Kate? Freedom Boat Club.
That's freedom. Freedom Boat Club.
Hey, Jolly. Well, I'm doing now while I gay apparel.
That's pretty. Oh, the blue. Look at that, John. It's snowing. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! That's a good look right there.
That's pretty. The blue on the water.
I do. You know that.
I like what this like.
Oh, that's cute. They did a lot of lights on that.
Yeah, right. That's what he said. Yeah.
You just said.
I didn't hear my liquor get involved. Yeah, neighbors don't like that.
John, watch out. Keep your watches.
Here's the ride. So closely. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle all the way.
Santa. It is whiskey potato.
In one horse. I'm saying now, jingle bell. Jingle bell.
I like that.
Jingle all the way.
Oh, and then there's
For a fun, it is to ride. In a open sleigh.
I couldn't get cans to replace them, so I kept ordering and finally I was like, wait a minute. Give me the whole set. Yeah, read the whole one, the can.
I want a 6-pack of cans.
That's a bad thing about it.
like one of those.
On the night before Christmas, went out through the house. Now the creature was staring, not even a mile from the side. Over to my wondering eyes, yeah, with a miniature sleigh and a tiny reindeer. Oh, Saint Nick,
We were sitting down in the Keys, a bunch of us, a millionaire club down there in the
Robo.
drinking.
That's what Cindy had a picture of.
We're down there drinking tequila. Next thing you hear,
Yeah.
I'm sure he'd hear the last one on me.
Oh, he would jump over here. He would. He's my
Mom, that
son.
hurt. I'm a human kid.
He would. That's exactly what he did. Oh yeah, don't worry. I keep looking down.
And they'll come back. They don't go to that side.
Oh, look at the reindeer. John, there's the reindeer and Santa on the boat. Yeah.
They all docked in
For real, that's so cute.
That is really cool. I like that.
That's Santa's sleigh right there. They done that well.
That's cool too.
Charlie, same niggas up, being your realest way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm gonna say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack of trees. On the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
They have a 25-foot wrap boat.
That's by far the
It's in Miami right now.
That is
But it's
cool.
coming this way.
Look at that. That's sweet.
That is very nice. Well,
Look at all that. Woo!
Oh, they actually have people.
Oh, with Vikings.
Merry Christmas! He's blowing the horn. That's how he's doing.
Yeah. That's cool.
Viking horn. That
Wow.
is excellent. They're thundering.
Sons of Norway.
That is awesome.
Armless falling up.
That's just cool. You can't help it. Oh, woo!
And here come the chase boats.
Richard, look at all those other boats. That's the out to the left. Yeah. Steve's telling me.
Hey, loud it up. There's the hall with boughs of holly.